when all of that happened, then my dad, mom, and baby doll came here to leave me at my hostel. At that point of time, actually, even at this point of time in NID MP, you are you have a mandate to live inside the hostel, because as I said, there is nothing outside the campus, so it's kind of compulsory that you live here in their hostels. But the campus is huge. So, and there are merely 75 to 80 kids in per batch, in one batch. In our batch there were only 68 kids. In my previous batches there were 60 kids only. So total amounts to about 300 to 350 kids in the entire campus, and the campus is huge, I must tell you. It is huge. See, this is the football ground, and here behind we have the hostel, so girls hostel and boys hostel. Yeah, and it is completely isolated, I would say that, but it is very pretty. You will fall in love with the skies over here. All of you must have seen my Instagram stories, and they are very pretty. This is our library. It won't be open right now, but I will go in the afternoon or everything, and then I'll shoot a video on that. Or maybe I'll go tomorrow, because as it is I have to take sign on the no dues form for the jury. But let's see. Morning walk done, right? This is my favorite spot in the entire college. So this is in between the mess and the academic block, right? So this is where the bonfire used to happen. And now I'm going towards my hostel. My hostel room is on the ground floor, so it is very accessible, and I am happy that even in the last year I got to stay on the ground floor. It was an experience. Let me show you. Yep, this is where I live. That is my room. The open window that you can see. Yep, that is my god, I am going to miss this place like crazy. But I guess this is how life is. You just move on. I'll just get somewhere better, I guess, or I'll just go home. At this point I'm going home only, because where will I go? So for future me, future Sasmita, tell me where you are. For the Sasmita that was very skeptical at 17 years old, girl, look at you go. Literally, you have come to NID 4 years before. You rocked NID. Your friends here are absolute gems, I should tell you. You have had a full life at NID, and your decision was very good. Your decision making at 17 years old was very good, and I am so proud of you. Also, the future Sasmita, please don't fuck up. Please don't take bad decisions. And I believe in you, so just please let me know what I do, how I do it, and everything. Oh yeah, this is the hostel's front side. So yeah. Oh wait, should I show you my rooms from first year to 5th year? So this is my hostel, and the room that you can see over here, this was my first year room, and it was so good. It was the only single side room that was given, and that was given to me, and I was so happy about it. Then 2nd, 3rd and 4th year I lived on that floor, like the 5th floor on that room, and I have pictures from it and everything. And right now I live on the opposite side of this building. So yeah, it is happy. I am actually very happy, and the only thing that so at NID we work till 3 in the morning in the classes. So when we come back there is this spot right in front of my hostel gate, so that the wardens or didis won't have any problem with me just chilling here out for 3 to 5 minutes. And the view is amazing. I don't know, yeah, it's very good. So this is the view that I lived to for 4 years, and this is on the 4th floor of the hostel, like the highermost floor. It was very beautiful, very, very beautiful. This is the front view of the hostel from my floor only. So this is where my academic block was, and it was very pretty. And I really hope that you guys found it interesting, and if you have any kind of questions, do let me know in the comment section, as I said before as well. And there are more parts incoming, so stay tuned. Bye.